Hi, my name is Sophia Moulette. This is the CGS 2100 class for Computer and Business. This is the Tableau Citizen of Data assignment. Since I am not a business major, I did the data and this presentation on a PowerPoint, and my understanding of this assignment was to go, if I was a business major, was to go through Tableau and to kind of play around with it, create scenarios, create like charts and stuff like that. And so, since I'm not a business major and I did not use Tableau, I used Excel. And that's kind of what I did in my own sense scenario. And the reason why my PowerPoint looks like this and my screen looks like this is because if I were to do it another way, you guys wouldn't be able to see my charts. So let's start. So with my first cafe that I picked for my scenario was Sweet Night Cafe. I picked the names off of what I liked and what I found interesting, and how I picked the three charts for categories. I thought three was like a good number to kind of look on. And when I was looking at which I thought were the top three most important to look in when you're running a business was the revenue, the customer satisfaction, and the cups sold, since these are cafes. Revenue was important because that's how much the business would be making and their income. Customer satisfaction, of course, you need customer satisfaction, or else your business would be going down to the ground if nobody likes your cafe. And cups sold obviously shows how well your business is doing off of what it's supposed to be selling. So when I saw Sweet Night Cafe and I did these charts and I saw everything from what it was, I saw that the revenue was really going up and their customer satisfaction was kind of going at was kind of going the same, but it was kind of like inclining, kind of declining. But they kind of kept it the same, which I thought was important. Cups sold was kind of weird, seeing that their revenue just kept going up, but I'm guessing if it stays the same, then obviously they're doing something well in their business, for sure, 100%. So I believe that this business was doing pretty well on their whole idea in general with cups sold, and their customer satisfaction probably explains why their revenue is increasing. For Aguari, I don't know why I picked this cafe. I thought the name was so interesting, so I was like, you know what, why not? Their revenue went up, is increasing just like Sweet Night Cafe, but it was kind of started increasing kind of later, but it kept increasing. Customer satisfaction was kind of weird. Kind of seemed like they were going at a good start and something happened and they just kind of dropped off, which I thought was kind of weird. Makes me kind of wonder what happened there. But they obviously figured out what was going on and they picked it up and they started going right back on track. Cups sold, increasing a lot. And it looks like it kind of keeps increasing until the very end, which kind of shows that they're doing well in their business, that they keep increasing. That means they have a good product, but apparently with their customer, they need to kind of figure out how to keep everything going. And for my last one, Brew, obviously because University of South Florida, Bulls, I loved it and I love brew coffee. Revenue just kind of picked up really quickly and kept increasing. With customer satisfaction, it kind of looks like it's declining a little bit, so I'm guessing management kind of has to figure out what's going on with their employees and why that customer satisfaction is kind of declining at that point. Cups sold is kind of weird. They obviously kind of need to figure what's going on and pick up on their product that they're selling and kind of try to find a way to make it better. And yeah, this is my presentation, and thank you so much for watching.